أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ولو يؤاخذ الله الناس بظلمهم ما ترك عليها من دابة ولكن يؤخرهم إلى أجل مسمى فإذا جاء أجلهم لا يستأخرون ساعة ولا يستقدمون.
If Allah were to hold mankind for their injustices, He would not leave upon it a single creature, but He postpones them until an appointed time. Then, when their time arrives, they will not delay it by 1 hour, nor will they advance it.
ويجعلون لله ما يكرهون وتصف ألسنتهم الكذب أن لهم الحسنى لا جرم أن لهم النار وأنهم مفرطون.
And they attribute to Allah what they themselves dislike, while their tongues utter the lie that theirs is the goodness. Without a doubt, for them is the fire, and they will be neglected.